Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be the house tour. If it hears a little bit echoey, then it's an empty house tour, and that's why there's not any furniture in here. So this, what you're about to see, is what would have been our home. We were this close to signing the papers and just buying it. Whenever it was still in the construction process, we were pretty early on to where we could have changed like a few of the selections, but not everything entirely. So I was going to have to compromise a little bit, but in the end it didn't even work out, so that doesn't matter. Now we're building everything straight from scratch. So yeah, let's go ahead and take a tour of this house. So this is the main entrance. So as soon as you walk in, you can see that the floor is like a dark tone tile in the wood shape. So you have a little foyer here at the entrance. This is the door, and then you would have this little area here, and then it opens up into the living room. So this is what that looks like. All the walls are like a light gray, so a little bit lighter than what we currently have. We really love that the ceilings are super high, so they have a double tray ceiling here, and that just adds to the dramatic effect, so we really love that. And then over here, there's a fireplace. This is like an electric, but looks like a gas fireplace. Or no, it's actually gas, never mind. As you can see, it's actually on right there. And the mantle is just nice for decorating for Christmas time. We really like this. We're not going to have one at our home as of now, but maybe in the future we'll install one because their prices were a little bit on the steep side, so we decided to just hold off on that. Plus, here in Texas, you really never use a fireplace because it's always pretty hot, other than for like decorating purposes. But yeah, this is the living room. So you have all this area, and then across from it, you have the kitchen and then the dining room area there. So this is the kitchen, has a pretty big size island. It's similar to what we're going to get. This is actually a little bit bigger than what we have at our current home. And you have all of the white shaker cabinets. We're also getting those, but you guys already saw that we're doing different pools there. It also has the stove over here and the range hood. We're getting a cabinet cover for that, so it will match with the cabinets. And then you guys know how much I love my induction stove, so this was one of the things I was going to have to compromise, because here this was already paid for and included or whatever, so I would have had to go with this cooktop, which I'm not a big fan of gas, to be honest. So I'm kind of glad that I can keep my induction stove. But yeah, I love the little tile backsplash here. Is kind of what we're doing. It's a subway tile, but we're going with the herringbone pattern rather than this straight one. So yeah, here's another overview over here. The cabinets, you have your microwave and oven there. In here on the island is your sink and the dishwasher, which I am super excited about having a dishwasher. Hopefully it lives up to expectations, because I am really looking forward to using it to wash the dishes instead of washing every single dish by hand. So this is an overview over here. Looks real nice. Our sink is going to be squared, but it's also going to be very deep. It's just going to be one big like farmhouse type sink instead of the divided two. Now over to this side, you have the refrigerator area here, and then this is the dining room or informal dining room space with the bay windows, similar to what we will be having at our home. So that's what this looks like. Here's another view, and then those pendants are super pretty. We're having something similar to that also, but we're doing it over there in our foyer. And then off from the informal dining is an area to go out to the back patio, which we will also be having. Ours is just going to be a little bit bigger than what this one is. This was locked and I couldn't tell. But okay, so here is the outside. You have this patio area with your fan up at the top, because it's a must for Texas out here. You need something to help you stay as cool as possible, if that's even possible, but you guys get the idea. But yeah, this is similar to what ours will look like, but again, ours will be a little bit more extended out here, so it'll be a little bit bigger. Now coming back inside is the informal dining room again. And then over here we have little hallway that leads into the washer and dryer, and then that's the garage. So this is the washer and dryer. They have cabinets, so but we added a sink in ours, so it's going to be a little bit bigger than what this is since we extended it to fit that cabinet. And then in the garage, it's just a standard, so just your standard 2-car garage. And then here, coming out from the hallway, is the pantry, which I'm also pretty excited about because if you guys know, at our current home, we don't have a pantry and I just use the space underneath the kitchen island to store everything. But now I will have something similar to this where I can just store everything, do a nice organization. Really looking forward to that. So yeah, that's what the pantry looks like. So here from the living room, you have the master room over there, and then you have the other 2 rooms here, and then you have a room upstairs. So that's where most of the square footage is. The difference, that is, upstairs in that bonus room. So here in this hallway here, there's the 2 rooms there and then the bathroom. So this is what the rooms look like, pretty standard size. And then over here, in that little nook, they don't waste any space. They actually put some shelving, which I think is pretty nice. That way you can store more things. And then a pretty good sized closet for like the kids or whatever. The other room, oh, and this has carpet, which is something that you guys know I do not like. I prefer to just have tile floors or whatever throughout the house, which is what we're doing at our home. And I would have had carpet had we been here, which I could have made it work, but I'm glad that we're not doing that anymore. And then this is the other room, pretty much a mirror image. Closet there, not much to see. Now back out here. And then here in the bathroom, you have your shower, bath combo toilet. And then the white vanity with the quartz, the granite countertops. Yeah, you have all of this, and we're doing pretty much the same. Shaker cabinets also, but I think we got the upgraded version to where you won't see this gap here. Not sure if these are it or not, but something similar. Then over here we have also a small like linen closet to store towels and whatnot. And then now back into the main area. Over to this side in the back is the master bedroom. So it has the little hallway leading up to it, similar to what we will have, again with the carpet. And then you have a tray ceiling up here. So this one has the tray ceiling, the others are just a flat ceiling. And then over to this side is the entrance to the bathroom as well as the closet. We have the tile floors back in the restroom. And here's the shower with the frameless glass doors. There's a tub with a big window up there. A closet, I think, or no, I think this is the toilet. Yeah, that's the toilet. So that's in there. You have some nice shiplap and just some area to put, I don't know, maybe your towels or something else. Some kind of storage there. And then you have your vanity over here. This is similar to what I will have as well. So I have a little knee space here for a little stool where I can do my makeup, and then just his and hers vanity. So not much to see there again. And then over here is the closet. So this is the closet. You can see a lot of shelving going back that way, and then you have some more over here, some rods to hang things, and then it wraps around this way. So it's a very good sized closet. So coming up the stairs, they have some hardwood here at the front, and then it continues on with carpet. And it leads into this room up above the garage. So it's a nice sized room with the I don't know what you call these type of ceilings over here. And then it has a bathroom off to this side and a closet over on that side. So let's go into the bathroom. So this is what the bathroom looks like. Again, you have your vanity, a toilet, and then a stand-up shower over here. Pretty standard. And you have the tile versus carpet in all restrooms there also. And then here is what the closet looks like. You have some shelving and then a rod for just hanging things. So pretty good. And then that door leads into some attic space that you can just store things up there, but it's super hot, so let's close that up. So yeah, that is all for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed coming along to see this house tour of what could have been our house. And there's a lot of things that will be similar in our home, as you will see in our house tour once it is all done and ready to go. But I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye guys.